Here we're asked to use polynomial division to rewrite r of x, and I'm going to put it in kind of transformation form. Then we're going to sketch a graph and describe the end behavior. So starting this off here, to do the division here, I like using the area model or the box method here to try and see how we can do this. So 3x negative 12x, this needs to be 13x here, which then makes this negative 52, and that makes that positive 47. This is ugly. Okay, so my remainder is 47, so the way I'll write this is 47 over x minus 4, and then what's left here is 3x plus 13. So this one here is a little bit ugly in the sense that if I'm looking at this, I'm going to have a slant asymptote, meaning it's not going to be just a horizontal line. It's going to be a line that starts at, let's say that this is 13 and goes up by 3 each time. This blue line is going to represent my slant asymptote. And then I have a vertical asymptote here at x equals 4, because that's what would make the denominator 0. And so really my graph, I'm not sure which of these 4 quadrants it's going to land in. It's positive, so I'm going to assume here and here, but if I'm not 100% sure, then I'm going to plug in and find the y-intercept to tell me if it's going to be in the top left or the bottom left here. So if I plug in 0, I just get y equals negative 5 over negative 4, because I'm just plugging x equals 0 into here. Gets rid of everything but the negative 5 and negative 4, which is really just positive 5/4. So somewhere around here, I guess. So that means like our graph is going to kind of look like this, I guess, which is pretty ugly, but I guess what we're looking for here is the end behavior. And the end behavior really is going towards this slant asymptote. So I'm not sure. I'll double check this and re-record this if I need to, but really, as x goes towards negative infinity, y is going towards the line at 3x plus 13. So how I would describe the end behavior is it's going towards that blue line, 3x plus 13. So as x goes towards positive infinity, y goes towards 3x plus 13. Now, I don't know if that's exactly how we would write it. I'll double check that right now. So it looks like maybe they would say, the way they say is it's just like the end behavior goes towards the line 3x plus 13. So you can just write it like this. I'm not really picky about how we would write the end behavior here. It's really just understanding that as we go to negative infinity and positive infinity, we're approaching this line that's created by 3x plus 13. So there's the graph and the end behavior described.